How to make money on LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide and explain you through the ways to earn money on LinkedIn. Well, there are several ways to earn money through LinkedIn. Now here are a few of them. First is to sell products or services through LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You can use the platform to connect with potential customers and sell your products or services. Similarly, you can offer freelance services. You can use LinkedIn to showcase your skills and find freelance work opportunities. You can become a LinkedIn learning instructor. If you have expertise in a certain field, you can create and sell courses through LinkedIn Learning. Similarly, you can add in sponsored content. You can earn money by creating sponsored content for companies on your LinkedIn page. You can affiliate marketing. If you have a large following on LinkedIn, you can earn money by promoting other companies' products through affiliate marketing. Similarly, you can earn money by offering LinkedIn premium memberships to your network and earning a commission on each sale. Similarly, job opportunities that you get. You can use LinkedIn to find job opportunities and potentially earn a salary through your employment. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.